Young and the Restless fans, the next 2 weeks in Genoa City will see Victor Newman losing control, and Diane Jenkins is worried sick. Plus, there's plenty more drama brewing you won't want to miss. Before we dive into all the spoilers for May 26 to 30, don't forget to subscribe, and hit that notification bell right here on Soap Opera Daily so you never miss your Y&R updates. Let's get into it. As we always do on Early Edition Day, we talk about what is coming the rest of this week. So on Thursday, May 22nd, Amanda Sinclair is back and Abby Newman is not happy about it. Abby thinks Amanda has returned to get revenge on her and Devon. But if Dumas really is Kana Ashby, then Amanda's boss actually owes Devon an apology. Amanda even promised Abby that Dumas is not after the Winters family. In fact, he wants to protect them, especially Lily. At the same time, Audra Charles is in trouble. She's been lying to Nate and using Kyle to get money from Victor. Things are not going well for her, and someone will demand answers soon. Most likely, Victor will want to know what's really going on. And Damien Kane seems ready to accept Lily's offer to run the Winters hotels. At the end of this week on Friday, May 23rd, things are heating up for Lauren. She's really worried about her marriage now that Michael has told her he plans to quit. She might be scared that Michael won't follow through or that Victor will come after them with his usual nasty vengeance. Victor holds grudges and he can be really unreasonable. Michael gets a serious warning from Victor. Victor tells him to walk away at his own risk. Elsewhere in GC, Diane is worried about Kyle. He might be blinded by revenge again, especially when it comes to Audra. Diane warns him not to mess things up or he could lose Claire, but Kyle isn't really known for listening. Now, let's look into the week of May 26 to 30, 2025. Sharon Newman's jealousy is starting to bubble over. Nick is going to be helping Phyllis, who reached out to him and said, yeah, I want you to be there for me. I'm taking you up on the offer. Since Sharon got back from her trip with Nick and the kids, she's been poking and prodding him about his friendship with Phyllis. What's surprising is that Sharon and Phyllis were finally getting along. They weren't best friends, but at least more tolerant of each other. Now, Phyllis is spiraling and really needs help. Nick is stepping up for her, but Sharon's jealousy is definitely growing, even though Nick has already called her out on it. Now, Victor's fury is about to explode. Michael wants to quit, and Victor is not happy about it. He will probably lose his temper and refuse to let Michael walk away. If it comes down to Victor versus Lauren, Michael has to stand by his wife. Honestly, I'm fine with Victor losing some allies. Claire's hope that Victor, like Kyle, is pretty misplaced. The party for Nikki will not change Victor's mind at all. Victor is very stubborn and Kyle is an Abbott. Victor will never like the Abbotts. Claire is going to be disappointed. No cake or champagne can fix that. Audra's time is running out. Victor wants results, but Audra has only shown talk with no progress. She is trying to keep Nate on her side, but things will get more complicated with Holden Novak getting involved. Week 2 is going to be rough for Audra. Also, Diane is bracing herself for a rough reaction from Traci and Ashley. They're back this week after Billy's heartbreaking words about John Abbott. Billy said he couldn't feel his dad in the house anymore, and Diane worries Traci and Ashley might feel the same way. Plus, Cole Howard seems to be on the mend, but don't get too hopeful just yet. There could be a setback. The mystery deepens about who Billy Flynn is really playing. I'm still betting on a recast Kane, but we'll find out soon. Expect to see more of Carter, Dumas' assistant, because Carter and Amanda are his front people setting things up in town. And the mysterious Dumas might already be lurking around Genoa City. Now get ready for some new faces at Nikki's birthday bash. J.I. Rodriguez from Queer Eye is joining us as Pietro, a party planner, helping Claire pull everything together starting May 28th. Plus, Danny Romalotti and Christine Williams are back in early June, probably for the big party. It's going to be one big celebration. That's all for your Young and the Restless spoilers from May 19 to 30. Things are heating up in Genoa City, and you definitely don't want to miss a moment of the drama. If you enjoyed this update, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you never miss any Y and our spoilers or updates from Soap Opera Daily. Drop your thoughts in the comments. Who do you think will come out on top in all this chaos? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time with more shocking spoilers